Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you this smart door lock which looks so modern and it looks so nice. This Keypad indoor door lock has zinc alloy buttons and do not leave the fingerprints. The number of password digits can be set between 1 to 13 digits, which is convenient for you and your family. When the error code is input for 5 times, the alarm will sound automatically, which is safe. When the battery is dead, you can use the key to open the door. In the set is coming 3 keys, as you can see here. I do like the design and the quality of this smart door, and I will highly recommend it to you. Thank you!